Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
So first of all, let's just talk about how I literally deleted the intro off my camera, and I knew that I needed the intro, that video, to start off my video, but I still deleted it like a dummy because I wasn't thinking. But anyways, just act like I just said, hey, please welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a transformation, 24 hours, because at first it was going to be a night routine, and then honestly, it was just all over the place. I was like, I'm going to make it a transformation because the next day I just started putting on makeup anyways. So yeah, guys, you're going to see me go from, like a, I don't know, I'm like a solid 7 to like a solid 50. Period. Alright guys, so I have bath bombs from April's Bath Bombs. They're a set of 8. It comes with, I think I gave my dad like 2. It comes with rose, lemon, jasmine, lavender, grapefruit, peppermint, frankincense, and sweet orange. This is the package and they're super cute. They sent me this like 12 months ago. Basically, I'm so sorry. I'm just not using it. I don't take baths, that's why. Then I have some bath bombs from Christmas last year. I hope they're not... Can bath bombs expire? Because if so, I think I'm going to use grapefruit. I don't really like the smell of lavender or jasmine. Oh, I'm going to use rose. This smells very good. There you go. They come like freaking Munchkins, the donuts from Dunkin' Donuts. It's supposed to be 8, so yeah, don't mind how empty that is. Alright guys, since like my tub, it takes a while to like, you know, fill up, like all tubs.
Make sure this water don't run over. You better make sure this water don't run over.
Anyways, like I was saying, so the app is getting ready. I wanted to tell you guys about what I got. Y'all can kind of see because it's in my hand because I was using it. I ordered me a whole like collection of Vanity Planet stuff because I was super excited. I really wanted a cleansing brush. I had brought one, like some cheap one off of like Shein, and it was so bad. And this one, you could just tell the difference. Like this really cleans my face. It makes me want to clean my face like 5 times a day. I got me the Radiant Facial Cleansing System, I think. I don't know how to say it, but it's really cute. By the way, it's not sponsored in no way, shape, or form. I just want to show you guys what I got because honestly, this is like $150 probably, and I got it for $40. So get it while it's on sale. Period. It comes with 3 different brushes. I'm using the Daily Cleansing brush, of course. It comes with this, super cute, and then you have like your little brushes and everything. Obviously, one is missing because I'm using one, which is at the top, and the brush go right there. It was a bundle that I got for like $90, so that could have been $20. I got it for $90. This one is, I'm going to use this today too. It's for blackheads. Again, it says, save yourself a trip to the dermatologist's office with Exphoria at-home microdermabrasion wand designed to exfoliate and suction away impurities that can clog pores, leading to inflammation. You need batteries probably for this. I hate this. Perfect hook. It's supposed to be for brush, but I think I got it for the wrong brush because this brush don't have the little thingy so you can hook it onto. So I'm so mad. Like, spend $7 for what? Yeah, my bath is ready basically. I'm about to get in and whatnot. So I'm about to put the bath bomb in. I'll show you guys it and everything, and we're gonna get into bed. Alright guys, so I'm done pampering myself and all that. So I'm on FaceTime. I was gonna give myself a face mask and all that, but I'm too tired to do all that, honestly. Yeah, just give me a second. I'm about to go change real quick. And yeah, y'all gonna see what I'm about to put on and all that. But yeah, my face is clear. Oh yeah, usually like brush my teeth, y'all feel that. And I use a whitening pen. I didn't use it because I'm about to eat, so no point in me putting the whitening pen on if I have to eat because I keep it on for 30 minutes and no. Alright guys, so since I have on my pajamas now, what I'm going to do is just basically, I was gonna like exfoliate my face, but I'm mad tired. Like honestly, even though I have no school tomorrow, I'm still tired. So I'm probably gonna like, you know, probably film that part in the morning so you guys can see how I do my face mask and do the blackhead thing. Oh, BOXYCHARM did send me something, so let's see what they sent me real quick. So they sent me big boxes now, so I'm like really much hyped. This is a body infused buffer. Could use that in the shower. They sent me this French lavender buffer. It already has soap infused into it, so that's mad cool. It exfoliates, it hydrates, and massages and cleanses. I like this. This is also like a very cherry clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. Okay, so you put it like on your makeup. Let's make it go away. Make it go away. It also sent me a Becca Glow Gloss. Hold on. And next in here is a Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture for eyes. I'm going to use this tonight. The last thing is a BOXYCHARM palette. Ooh, hold on, bitch. It has a mirror. Thank the Lord. Look at these colors, bro. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do real quick is the eyes like I said I was going to do. I'm sorry if my camera's tilted. This is the Poweradd Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer for eyes. Like you wildin'. It takes that long to focus. Pretty sure I only need like this much for my eyes. I'm just gonna massage it around my eye area. I mean, to keep my eyes smooth. But yeah, what I'm about to do is eat real quick. Some Olive Garden Alfredo that I had. About to go get it. I'm scared to go outside because my cat is acting crazy, but I'm hungry, so I risk my life for food. Oh, I have my Olive Garden Alfredo. Heat it up. I get the seafood one. That's like a chicken one. I like the shrimp, so I got this. My Gatorade with my metal cup, cause we have metal cup ice. My Gatorade with my metal straw, cause hello, save the turtle. I know y'all love this little one piece. I'm a Cookie Monster. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed, guys. So I'm mad tired. So, but you guys probably gonna see me in the morning through my face mask and my blackhead extractor, if I remember to. Hopefully I do. Alright guys, so I basically repeat the whole step all over again. I wash my face with Baddie Pennant brush. The first brush on, well, bristle. I just wet my face, you know, I put my medicine that the dermatologist gave me on the brush, and I just start scrubbing my face all over again. And this is the next morning, that's why you see me doing this all over again. But I just thought it looked better than what I did yesterday, so yeah. Like I said yesterday, this is an Exforia Personal Microdermabrasion Wand. I don't know why it was hard for me to say that. Anyways, so what I'm using today is probably you need batteries for this, and I'm so annoyed because why do I have to keep on spending money? It's a glitter tip. And other tips, I already like explained it yesterday, so yeah. But honestly, this, ooh, you can see everything. I guess I don't know how this works. Wow, it's not doing nothing, guys. I don't think this works, or I'm not using it right. So it's gonna look glam, and I know this is gonna be a night routine while in quarantine, but now I'm gonna do a transformation while I'm in quarantine. You like that, don't you? But I'm gonna start off with my hair because, baby, this morning before I recorded this video, Andre sent me his flat iron, and I was like, oh my gosh. First of all, he was texting me mad late. How you know I was up? No, I'm just kidding. He was texting me. First of all, he follows me. Number one. Thank the Lord for that. And it's so crazy because I went out the other day and I was talking about him, and I was literally watching his video, and then he texted me like the next day, like, I was like, so yeah, he has his new flat iron line out, and I'm super excited because he does hair super well. If you guys don't know, he has a hair line too, so you guys can check that out. The links will be in the description box below. And he also has this flat iron. I have a lot of flat irons, but I want to put this flat iron to the test because it's from Andre. Look at the interior. Let me stop. Look at the flat iron. So silky, so smooth. Gosh, look at it, guys. Ooh, gotta hold it, dummy. It goes to 450. Oh my gosh. So I'm, oh, it's heating up fast. Look at this, guys. I know y'all see how fast it's going up. Alright, so here's the products I'm using today. I'm gonna use Silk Infusion. It's like a little silky, you know, serum to make my hair look silky. ORS Grapeseed Oil Heat Protectant Spray. Use my edge wax like from Style Factor when I get up to the top. So not right now. It smells mad good. I'm gonna let y'all know that it smells like, if you wear this, you have to go on a date or something. Get book, I'm like, oh my god, you smell tasty. When you got that yummy, 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 yum. Oh my gosh, wait. Nah, this is so silky. And I'm not saying this because it's a promo, but y'all saw how many passes I did. It was like 2. Oh, this is crazy. Wait, hold on. Let me choose again. Hold on. Because I know I'm not bugging. It was mad tangled and mad puffy still. Look how I'm passing through this. First of all you need is 1 pass with this, but I like to do 2 because I'm extra. Oh my gee, this is crazy. Wait.
These niggas sound crazy.
No, because y'all girls really need to get my sis, because if y'all hair not looking this silky after you flat iron it with 1 pass, that's an issue. Oh my, this is, hold on. Wait, I'm speechless right now. This is silky. Go get your flat iron. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below for you guys to go cop it, because baby, this is the results that you need. This is the results you get when you get your hair done. You're wondering like how you get it so silky. Not gonna be that silky because you don't have this flat iron. Alright guys, so I'm back and I'm about to do the red eyebrows. I posted a picture on the screen. I did red eyebrows before, and I did it precisely, like perfectly, to match my hair that I had when I had that hair 2 years ago. But I tried to do it the other day and I didn't match it as good as I did the first time. I don't know what it was. But I had like a couple like red lip liners and stuff. Cause I use lip liner. Because obviously they don't have red dip brow. What they do, I didn't order it. So I tried the Revlon Color Stay, and this one is like too like purple. It's too like purple. Like, if you could see, it's like, it looks like red on camera, but it's like very much purple. I already tried it on my eyebrow. I might use this one to like mix it with one of these colors, because these colors might be too bright. This one probably will definitely be too bright. It's the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Color Icon. Is this a lip liner? Yes, lip liner in the shade Berry Red. Ooh. Okay, so I don't need this. I think at first I was like mixing the black and this together. I'm about to just use this and see what happens. I forgot. Bring y'all closer. I did red before, so I already know how it looks on me. I just didn't do it in like 2 years, so yeah. My bitch loves Coco. I do. Woo bag baby. Woo.
Beat all my bitches and I'm bustin' down. Some nigga gotta be stupid, right around with it be moving.
Hey guys. So the eyebrows is so perfect. My mom even said it.
I want your body, give me slapped up on the front seat.
Cornmeal, these niggas sound crazy.
On my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, little bitch.
Ooh. Okay, prepare. Okay, prepare. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm done transforming. As you guys can see, my makeup is done. I had to finish it off camera because my phone died. I mean, the camera died. But yes. The eyebrows are very much a fave of me, of mine. I'm wearing a dress and it's from Pretty Little Thing. So we did the hair, we did the makeup, I mean the fit, and now we look cute. Ooh. Yeah, this is basically the end of the video, guys. It's just me pampering and doing nothing, doing something even though I'm not going nowhere, basically, because I'm stuck in the house. Like, I'm stuck in a house. Like, the government has me hostage. But I hope everybody's healthy and I hope everybody's safe as well. Make sure to stay safe. Make sure to always wash your hands. Stay clean. Even after this coronavirus is done, just stay clean. Still wash your hands. Because you're honestly supposed to do that when you come home. Wash your hands. I don't know why people are just not like saying, oh, wash your hands. You should have been doing that. But you have to stop taking things as a joke and take it serious because people are dying. So, yes. Make sure to stay safe. Make sure to pray and keep your loved ones safe. If somebody's older than you, somebody's elderly, or somebody is a baby and very much younger than you, do not go outside unless you really have to. Make sure to stay away from them as long as you can. But I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, this little quick look. This is cute. I hope you enjoyed me pampering myself for no reason. I know it's supposed to be like a night routine, but like I said, I turned it into a little transformation because it didn't really go as planned, honestly. But this is cute anyway. So comment some video ideas you guys want to see next, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye, pretties.